Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change date format in Excel. So what you do is just select a date. As you can see, there's some date of births. So I would select a date and click on the right button and click on format cells. Here you can see there are some formats of dates. You can select any of them. Let's select this for this one. As you can see, it's applied. Let's do it bigger, make it bigger. Here you can see it's appeared. And let's do another format with another cell. uh, let's do it. As you can see, it's changed. And let's do another one. Okay, as you can see, it's done. So this is how you can change your date format from Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.